In this video, I will show you how to cast a double variable so that it changes to an integer variable. Starting off, let's create a double. We set a value to 45.56, and if we print this, save and run, you'll notice that the double value appears here. It has a decimal point. Let's cast it to an integer. To cast, we put in parentheses integer and put the variable within parentheses as well. I'm going to save and print. And there you have it. Note that it does round down. Thank you. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.